Next up, we have Nexus Private Capital. Nexus uses investor capital to originate service short-term loans secured by mostly residential real estate. It's my pleasure to welcome it's a pleasure to welcome managing member Cort Chalfant.
Thank you, Elisa. Good afternoon, everyone. It's great to be here. I'm very pleased to present Nexus Private Capital. Our pitch is a little bit different. We're an established fund with a 40-month operating history. We've already raised $27 million of investor capital and put it to work. We've been profitable for 39 of our 40 months of operations, and our monthly revenue has hit new highs 27 times. Nexus is an alternative investment fund for accredited investors seeking yield plus preservation of capital. We pay out a fixed 9% coupon with monthly distributions. In terms of how we do it, we originate short-term loans to mostly, but not exclusively, residential fix and flip rehab investors. You may not realize it, but about 5.5% of all resale homes in America are fix and flip loans, fix and flip sales. We originate or we cap our loans at 70% of value. That's less than the 80% standard used for conventional mortgages. We secure our loans with the first deed of trust on marketable real estate, plus personal guarantees from our borrowers. We charge about 11% interest plus points. We pass 9% through to our investors, and we pay the bills and make a living on the difference. It's important to note these are not shoot-from-the-hip loans. These are heavily analyzed loans. Every borrower is subjected to rigorous underwriting, credit checks, background checks, personal interview, review of financial statements, tax returns, bank statements, and more. Basically, we do everything that a community bank does, except we do it in days or hours rather than weeks. Nexus is headquartered in Austin, Texas, which is where I live. We focus on the vibrant markets of Austin, Dallas, San Antonio, and Houston. We currently have more demand for our loans than investor capital, which is why I'm here today. The minimum investment to come into Nexus is only $25,000, and we're set up to accept both traditional as well as IRA investments. What we offer basically is income and preservation of capital. As I said, the income is derived from a diversified portfolio of rigorously underwritten loans. We pay a 9% fixed coupon. There's no share price variation. And you can exit if you wish, though nobody really does, at par after 18 months by simply redeeming shares. The preservation of capital comes from three main sources. First, every $1 we lend is secured with about $1.40 of tangible real estate. Secondly is diversification. We currently have about 70 loans in the portfolio, and the average loan size is only $300,000. And third, and very importantly, we, the manager, have invested $1.3 million in the platform, and we've subordinated our investment to yours. So with that in mind, you can be assured that we are highly motivated to originate only good loans, and that our interest is indeed aligned with yours. As I sit here today, I can honestly say that we, the owners of the company, we put our money where our mouth is. You should know that we accept no fees for managing the portfolio. Our sole compensation comes from a profits distribution each month after everyone else has been paid first. Likewise, as I said, we've invested our own money. We've subordinated it to that of our investors. And finally, equally importantly, is our expense ratio is extremely low at the fund level. That's because most all of our overhead, salaries, office expenses, and otherwise, are borne at the manager level, not the fund level. So we operate about 9 to 10% expense ratio, and that helps to explain why our distributions to investors are so consistent. In terms of our track record, it's been outstanding. We've originated nearly 300 loans and done $75 million worth of business since inception. Most importantly, month in, month out, we pay our 9% coupon to our investors from cash flow. I think it's safe to say it's very hard to find a safe investment with a 9% yield, but you know what? That's exactly what we offer. We're Nexus Private Capital, and as Tien can tell you, that's not a false promise. It's what we deliver every day. As far as how to subscribe, it's really super easy. Just give me a call. My name's Cort Chalfant. My number is 512-230-9867. I hope to hear from you. Until then, thanks for listening.